Ito guys, Philippines. Ang galing, nagtatagalog sila. Thank you. Grapes flavor na popcorn. Ayun na guys, let's go!
Let's go!
From this point, eh wala naman eh.
So yun guys, naulan na dito. So indoor rides muna tayo. So dito muna tayo guys sa It's a Small World. Ayan. Grabe guys, sobrang daming tao. Lahat ata eh, nag-indoor rides muna. Ayan guys, grabe ang haba ng pila. Pero mukhang mabilis naman. Alright guys, nakasakay na tayo. So, ikutin muna natin yung mundo. Let's go!
Welcome to Asia. Si Jungle ano yun eh. Philippines ako ba?
Ito guys, Philippines. Ang galing, nagtatagalog sila.
China. Napalo na.
Alright guys, tapos na. So, iba't ibang language ng goodbye. So yun guys, Ironman naman tayo. Indoor ulit kasi medyo maulan pa. Let's go!
Talagang tayong na may ganun, no?
1940s. Ayan, story ni Ironman.
Parang yun na talaga ang kanyang story.
Hall of Legacy.
Of course, the roots of the expo began back in the 1940s when Tony Stark's father Howard presented
Ito guys, Mark 1.
World Exposition of Tomorrow.
Eh, si Ironman. Hall of Protection. Hall of Mobility.
Pero hindi, ito yung manonood ka.
Ayan guys, magsuot na tayo ng 3D glasses. Yan ito guys sa loob. Ayan, 4D pala siya.
Yung back mo kasi what to?
So yun guys, tapos na. Bawal mag-video. So yan, nagalaw yung mga upuan. Alright, balik na natin yung glasses. So yun guys, merienda na tayo. Nga pala guys, may snack voucher din kami. So ayan, mamimili kami if ice cream o popcorn. Alin man sa dalawa. Ito guys, mga ice cream, may mga design. Ayan, ganda. Alright, Minnie Mouse ice cream. Dito naman guys sa popcorn, meron silang grapes at caramel flavor. Ganda ng box nila guys, oh, Minnie Mouse.
Ako sa caramel. Ako sa caramel. Bata-bata pigs. Kasi na matalo siya sa grape. Ano ba to? Kita ka dyan, Kuya Ken. Hindi ka.
No, you want cheese. There's no cheese. Only caramel. Okay? Okay.
If wala naman kayong voucher, eto, meron silang price dito. 45 HKD guys, ang popcorn. Yeah! Thank you! Grapes flavor na popcorn. Ayan guys, pag inabutan kayo ng ulan dito sa Disneyland, try nyo tong Ironman ride. Ganda, solid. Ice cream. Center Street Boutique. So yun guys, claim na natin yung free gift natin na kasama sa ticket. At ang free gift natin ay Mickey Mouse headband. Ayan. Ayan guys, scan lang yung ticket natin. Tapos bibigay yung free gift. Mickey Mouse headband. Yeah.
Yes!
So yun guys, mag-start na yung parade. Buti na lang medyo tumila yung ulan.
In just a few minutes, celebrate with some of your favorite Disney friends in Mickey and Friends Street Celebration.
Ayun na guys, let's go!
Let's go!
Now it's your turn to dance with us. Come on everyone, let's join together. Now it's your turn to dance with us. Come on, everyone. Let's join together.
Hi, Minnie and Mickey. Duffy and friends. Hello po. Hey guys, ang laki na ni Piglet. Yeah. And guys, si Mickey Mouse nung di pa uso only rice. Yes. So guys, magdi-dinner na kami para maaga kami makapwesto mamaya sa Momentus. At dito kami magdi-dinner sa Royal Banquet Hall. So tara, let's go!
Let's go!
And guys, ang ganda ng place dito sa loob. Parang Royal Palace. Yeah! Dito kami guys sa grill bibili at meron kaming meal voucher for dinner worth 160 each KD. So ito yung menu nila guys. Ayan, roasted half chicken combo 165, grill combo at Mickey Mouse vegetable for 140 each KD. Ayan, meron din silang fruit juice, craft beer, at meron din silang hot beverages. Ayan, tea or chocolate. Ayan pa guys, ang dami. Ito na order natin guys, half chicken combo.
Favorite chicken.
Thank you. Wow, wala ka ng chicken with fries. Ready na to for dinner, mabubusog na. $165, no? So $5 na lang idadagdag. Okay. So in case nag-accept din pala sila ng Visa card. Ayan.
Yeah!
Yan din akin.
Ayan guys, half chicken. Ang laki.
Sige, kain po.
Alright, let's eat.
Yes!
Ayan na guys, mag-start na ang Momentus. Nag-aalisan na yung mga tao.
Kanina umaga, kaya ako nagtay kasi
Ayun na lahat.
Dami na. Ang dami na nakapwesto. Eh! Dito wala masyado.
Hindi pwede dito.
Hindi nakita. Tayo yung alawan.
Grabe guys, dami na nakapwesto. Pwesto na rin tayo. So yun guys, dito kami pumesto sa bandang gitna. Parang kita-kita natin ng buo yung castle. Right, start na guys. Yeah.
Yeah!
and memories worth remembering. Every day is a different page, a story to unfold. We're young then grow. And through the time we face the races that we're running, we always keep the faith in who we are becoming. Every day is a different page, a story to unfold. Remember young and old. Won't last forever, but we won't forget. Just live the moment of the memory. Times we share, times that we build, and the times that we bear. Time is the treasure, always to stay. Just live the moment of the memory.
Ba't to binatay? Hindi kita.
Rest your head close to my heart, never to hurt, baby.
Saan?
Just take my hand, hold it tight. Don't you cry. For one so small, so strong. My arms will hold you, keep you safe.
Sorry.
The spark between us can't be broken. I will be here, don't you cry. 'Cause you'll be in my heart. You'll be in my heart. No matter what
So yun guys, tapos na yung Momentos. Grabe, sobrang ganda, nakakaiyak. And that's it guys for our day 2 in Hong Kong. Thank you for watching. See you on our day 3. Yeah!